Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! There are two main ways to take a screenshot on Google Pixel 9a. The very first one is by simple combination of power button and volume down. As you can see, we can just do this, and you can take a screenshot of whatever is happening on our screen. You can also click it in order to manually edit it. So for example, we can crop it, we can add text to it. So for example, I will add, hey. We can also draw on it if you want to, using different pens, or we can delete those if you want to. And after we've done, we can hit save. And if we go to any application and we go to the application menu, so here we can see all applications, we have this nice little screenshot button. We can hit it and we can take a screenshot of this specific application. Just like that, which is also a very handy feature. And just like before, we can hit pencil in order to edit it, or we can hit the share button in order to share it via our social media or directly to other people using Quick Share. And yeah, that's about it for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.